Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove background from bar chart in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my Excel spreadsheet and a bar chart. Now I remove background from this bar chart. At first you have to select this chart area. Now you can see, right click on this chart area, then you can see here are format chart area. Now go to fill option and click no fill. Now cross this window. Now you can see I remove background from bar chart in Microsoft Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for